Welcome to Fresh Remodel. If you're looking to transform your outdoor space into a stunning and functional kitchen, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll share 5 impactful tips for outdoor kitchen remodeling that will add immense value to your home. And stay tuned to learn why Fresh Remodel is your ultimate partner in creating your dream outdoor kitchen. Tip number 1, choose our exclusive full aluminum construction cabinets with the best warranty in town. These cabinets are designed to withstand the elements, providing exceptional durability and resilience. They not only maintain their sleek and modern appearance over time, but also come with a warranty that gives you peace of mind. Tip number 2, maximize counter space. Having ample counter space is essential for meal preparation and serving. Consider adding extra countertops or an island to provide sufficient space for chopping, mixing, and setting out dishes. This will enhance your cooking experience and make entertaining guests more enjoyable. Tip number 3, incorporate seating and lighting. An inviting seating area and proper lighting can turn your outdoor kitchen into a perfect gathering spot. Think about built-in benches, bar stools, and ambient lighting to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Tip number 4, add versatile cooking options. An outdoor kitchen isn't just about grilling. Consider adding a smoker, a pizza oven, or even a rotisserie. This versatility can enhance your cooking experience and impress your guests with a variety of culinary delights. Tip number 5, integrate smart technology. Modern outdoor kitchens can benefit greatly from smart home technology. From automated lighting and sound systems to Wi-Fi-enabled appliances, integrating tech can make your outdoor kitchen more convenient and enjoyable. At Fresh Remodel, we're not just about giving tips, we're about turning your vision into reality. Here's what sets us apart. We have a designer architect on board to bring your dreams to life with precision and creativity. Our showroom boasts thousands of products, giving you endless choices for your project. We provide and install everything, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. All project steps are managed under one roof, offering you convenience and peace of mind. As a designing general contractor company, we handle both the design and construction, ensuring a cohesive approach. With 28 years of experience serving South Florida, we have a legacy of excellence and trust. We offer free design consultations to help you get started without any initial cost. Our 100% financing options make it easier for you to achieve your dream kitchen. Enjoy no payments until 2025, giving you flexibility and ease in your investment. We use only high-end products, ensuring quality and durability. And to top it all off, you can get up to $10,000 cash back on your project. Ready to transform your outdoor space? Contact Fresh Remodel today and let's create something extraordinary together. Your dream outdoor kitchen is just a call away. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips. Fresh Remodel, where your dream home becomes a reality.